Have you ever seen a puppet show? The person above controls the puppet using his fingers, and the puppet performs below, completely under his command. It's just like a lifeless doll, obedient to every gesture. Something similar is happening the cryptocurrency market right now. Honestly, it feels more like a circus show to me. I want you to pay close attention to what I'm about to say. This is an emergency-based, eye-opening video I'm making. These days, certain types of news are being introduced or injected into the crypto market coincidentally. At the same time, when Bitcoin is nearing its all-time high. The news sounds like this. MetaPlanet bought so many Bitcoins. BlackRock has acquired a large amount of Bitcoin. MicroStrategy has topped up their bags with even more Bitcoin. This reminds me of the era around 2017 to 2019. It used to happen a lot that when Bitcoin reached its all-time highs, similar good news was pushed into the market. I remember the famous $2,000 all-time high. Most people in crypto are familiar with it. Many of you probably enter the crypto world during that era. You might have noticed at that time too, the market was filled with extremely positive news. Later, we realized that news was being artificially injected. They were creating a hype. This is going to happen. That guy is investing. The government has approved it. Institutional investors are coming in. When Bitcoin was at $2,000, the same thing happened. Then YouTubers started predicting it would go to $25,000, even $100,000. But what actually happened? Bitcoin took almost 3 to 4 years to cross even $500 again. People started investing blindly. Let me talk about altcoins as well. Don't worry, I won't leave them out. People invested so much without thinking. Then Bitcoin started to fall and fall and fall. Eventually, Bitcoin came down to $3,000. Right now, once again, tons of good news is being spread in the market. The topic of ETFs is being circulated, saying it's about to be approved, and so on. Everything will be fine, they say. But what about small portfolio holders? What should they do if the market crashes? Right. Now listen to me carefully. I'm going to lay out everything in this video. Anyone with even a basic understanding of technical analysis, even someone who's been in the market just 1 month, knows this basic rule. Never buy a coin at its all-time high. Again, I'll come back to altcoins shortly. But first, let's look at what's going on with Bitcoin. Because, due to its dominance, Bitcoin behaves like the puppet master. Just like in that puppet show, it controls all the altcoins. So, we must understand Bitcoin's moves carefully. These institutional investors are playing mind games with us. Anyone with analytical sense knows. You don't buy at the peak, so then why are companies like MetaPlanet and MicroStrategy buying at such high prices? Strange, right? Maybe they expect Bitcoin to reach $300,000 for OK, or even $1 million in 2 to 4 years. Right. But what if the market crashes right now? What signs should we look for? What should we do with our portfolios? Right now, Bitcoin is near its all-time high. Current price is around $16,000, and its current major resistance level is $11,260. Either Bitcoin breaks that level and goes higher, and altcoins follow it upward, then it makes sense. But what's actually happening? Yesterday, Bitcoin was at $18,000. The day before, it nearly touched $9,000. And now, it's back at $16,000. That's still considered a high price. If it drops from here, the altcoin market will crash badly. The total market cap has dropped by 1% compared to yesterday. That's from a $3.2 trillion market. People have pulled money out, and Bitcoin has dropped by $2,000 already. If you look at the Fear and Greed Index, yesterday it was leaning toward greed. Today it's neutral at 50 because people have started to become cautious. That's a sign you should always watch. So, all this good news coming in, you might be thinking Bitcoin is about to break its all-time high again. Even if it does, how does that benefit you? How much Bitcoin do you actually own? How many Satoshis do you even have? I'm telling you, 95% of people will say, we don't have any Bitcoin right now. So what good is this rally for you? I know my community. I know most people don't hold Bitcoin. They hold altcoins. So now, let's talk about altcoins. Bitcoin's dominance refuses to go down. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana are fluctuating a little, but most other altcoins have been crushed in the past year. Now I ask you this: what if Bitcoin crashes again? Like before, say from $16,000 to $8,500 or $7,400. What's your strategy? Then, how much USDT do you have right now? Or have you fully committed your funds already? I leave that for you to answer. If you've paired with BTC, and if Bitcoin crashes, you'll also get great buying opportunities. The condition is, you must have spare USDT in your portfolio whenever the market crashes. I don't flood my Telegram channel saying, I'm buying this coin, or I'm buying that one. And when the market starts to recover a bit, I don't boast, see, I told you, and show off my profit screenshots. No, you need to have some USDT saved for tough times. That's where your real profit lies, even if your whole portfolio is down. You can still smile, knowing you have spare USDT to make quick profits. I feel that. Bitcoin is currently at a high price, and there is artificial hype being created around it. This same thing happened when Bitcoin hit $7,000, then $10,000, then $20,000, $48,000, and even now at $100,000 plus. From $0 to $100 K. This entire journey took about 6 to 7 years. Most of the market boom happened in the past 4 to 5 years. Especially the last 2 years have seen rapid growth. Before that, people had their money stuck for 1, 2, even for years. Now, if Bitcoin falls to $90,000 from here, you need to understand, altcoins won't rise with it. Even if Bitcoin, again, makes a new all-time high after that, altcoin prices might be even lower than they are today, even if Bitcoin drops to $90,000. Then pumps back to $170,000. The altcoin prices won't follow proportionally. You'll miss your chance to exit. That's why I'm warning you. If Bitcoin hits a new ATH, let it. But protect yourself. Keep paired USDT ready. If you've taken any recent trades, please, for the love of God, use stop-losses. Yes, if the market pumps, I'll absolutely update you on my Telegram channel. But right now, I'm not getting great vibes from the market overall. There are a couple of things that might bring some positivity. Possibly Solana and its crypto ETF approval. Or maybe XRP with some good developments. But overall, I see the market shaking. You must do your own research. Don't come back later saying, "Brother, you said the market would crash, and I bought or sold based on that." No, you're responsible for your own decisions, according to me. I'm keeping some spare USDT. That's a win-win strategy. If the market crashes, I'll use it. If Bitcoin pumps, altcoins might not respond much anyway. We can always reinvest when the market looks stable again. That's the smart play if you have spare USDT. If you learned even 1% from this video, please like and share it. Take care of yourself. Happy trading. Take care. Bye-bye.